Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Icloud, or opening the Photos app on the device that used the library. This ensures you access the same library. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in settings so items sync. If it wasn't, older images might still live in iCloud but not on the device. Once logged in, go straight to Photos. Don't waste time in general menus, because the albums and search tools are where you'll find long hidden items. Now you dig. Use the Photos search bar with names, locations, or object keywords. It indexes faces and scenes so you can pull up images fast. Apply the years/months/days view to narrow decades or a specific trip, and toggle media types to find screenshots, panoramas, or videos. Also inspect albums like recently deleted and hidden. Many lost photos sit there. If you still can't find them, check shared albums and other devices signed into the same Apple ID, because sync timing can vary. Finally, restore or download. Select pictures and choose Restore or Download Originals to save them locally. If your photos show low-res thumbnails, enable download and keep originals in iCloud settings so full files transfer. If items still don't appear, sign out and sign back into iCloud. Force a sync by toggling iCloud Photos off and on, or check iCloud from another device. If problems persist, contact Apple support. They can check server logs and account issues that stop photos from appearing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.